Alright, so we're going to show how to remove a doorknob from a 2013 Chevy Volt. I made it easy for myself, so I actually cut it out of the car because I don't need the door anymore. But basically the easiest way to do this is, first thing you got to do is gain access to the back end of the door, because you have to put a bit like this into this hole right here. So you'll have the door open and access inside a little plastic cover that goes on the side of the door, and you'll be able to stick your screwdriver through and get it right on there. But anyways, to get this out, the trick is that you actually open the doorknob and then you turn the screw all the way to one side while holding the doorknob open the entire time. Once the screw, you won't be able to see it obviously, but once the screw stops, that's as far as you can go with it. Don't force it, it's all plastic. It's really taking longer than I thought it was going to take. Yep, there we go. So it's all the way over. So then you'd be on the outside of the car obviously, and what you do is you pull the knob piece straight out like that. And then once you got that, you can bring the doorknob forward and up and out, and it just pops out like that. Everything comes out. And then you got one bolt right here where you pull that one out. It's a squeaker. There we go. There. And once you get that bolt out, obviously you'll be inside the car door, but you'll simply slide this back. Oh, there we go. A little too hard. But there it is. It came out. You can pull the gasket off if you want to. It's not a problem. And same thing goes for putting it back in. Just reverse that entire order. That's all you got.